Except we see you because it's going slow. A little fast for me. But here, Nicole. Rachel. Here, Rachel. Holy moly, those are no cars. That was a special cross.
That was so short, Daniel.
Well, because sometimes Union Pacific just doesn't have any cars. That's usually what happens. See? Well, look at that, guys. And now I'm gonna record it from the train going away. I can see do you see the light moving down there?
Yeah.
That was a special train. I did not think that was. The front engine was a different engine. Then that means it might be going to Redwood City or something. Let's watch it. The light is still the light is still moving.
Still moving?
I could still see it. When it turns around the bend, there you go.
Going around the bend.
It's not there. Not going around the bend.
Okay.
That was a special train. I thought I just can't believe that I didn't even think about it. I thought it was different.
Okay. Well, we can't wait on the...
Look, the train's almost gone. It's almost gone. Bam. Bye, guys. Bye. Which way do you want to go
Are you
back
done?
home?
Yep. Go back home.
You choose. Do you want to go home?